The AO Smith GCR-50LP ProMax Plus high-efficiency liquid petroleum gas water heater. The AO Smith GCR-50LP ProMax gas water heater is the one for you if you need a model that can provide long-lasting value and lowers your energy bills as well. Very similar to the AO Smith XCR-50 ProMax gas water heater, the AO Smith GCR-50LP ProMax has the blue diamond glass coating that offers enhanced corrosion resistance to glass lining. Furthermore, this heater has an electric gas valve that's self-powered that makes use of the thermopile to produce power. The power helps control the electronic gas control without needing power from an external source. Also, the AO Smith GCR-50LP ProMax gas water heater's internal microprocessor provides users with tighter differentials and advanced operating parameters. This results in quicker heating response and accurate sensing. An additional advantage of buying this heater is that there are minimum sediment and lime buildup, courtesy of the Dynaclean diffuser dip tube. Here are some pros. 1. Included microprocessor ensures very quick heating response. 2. Meets all of the NAECA standards and regulations. And 3. Glass coating provides superior glass coating. How about some cons? 1. Fire hazard or damage might occur if you don't use this water heater properly.